How to add cards to your Google Wallet. So let's get started. Once you open the app, tap on the plus add to wallet in the bottom right corner of your screen. If you have not yet added a card, you will also see an add payment card option in the center of the screen. You will see a list of options for cards or documents you can add. All you have to do is hit payment card option available there. On the next screen, select New Credit or Debit Card. Alternatively, you can choose a card you already have saved within the Google ecosystem, like on your Google account, Google Play, or YouTube. Add your card by either scanning it using your phone's camera or entering the card details manually. If you do the latter, you will need the card number, expiration date, and CVC. Depending on the card, verification may be required. So that is it. Once verified, your card will be added to Google Wallet. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.